It gives me an immense pleasure to speak a few words about organ donation and transplantation. And before going to that, it is my pleasure to thank Social Work Department and Andhra Vidyarthi Sangam, right? Prasad, for organizing such a wonderful program. Of course, Department of Social Work is always involved, and he is a student of Department of Social Work. So we encourage them to have such kind of programs in future also. And Madam Vice Chancellor, Professor G.M. Sundarale garu, and Principal, BSc College, Professor G. Vijayarthi Kumar Babu garu, and today's guest, distinguished guest, Dr. M. Penchale garu, and faculty from Social Work Department and other faculty from other departments, and Dr. Pramod, and students, and print and electronic. Very good morning. And organ donation is an opportunity to give a life to others. And not only that, and we can also say that to live in ourselves, in others. So you understand what is the meaning. So we are giving life when we donate organ, so that we are giving life to others. And at the same time, our organ is living in others. Ourselves, we are living in others. So you might be knowing, like, there are some movies which clearly says how organ donation helps to the people, right? And there are some misconceptions in organ donation, but besides that, so donation of organs is always good. And we always live in somebody else's body, and we can say that we will have a long life. So that I can say. And usually the organ donation can be called as like it's a surgical removal of an organ or tissue. And this tissue is from donors. Usually it is from donors, and donors may be like brain dead people or even the live persons. So live persons, like, we can donate our liver, because a part of liver can be dissected, and that part will be sent to the transplanted to the other recipients. So because even we are live, and sometimes if we have like two kidneys, right? So one kidney can also be donated. So likewise, donation can be done either maybe I can say like a dead body, immediately after death we can take organs, or a brain dead person can also donate organs, or even a live person can donate organs, but not all the organs, only certain organs. And organ transplantation is the subsequent process. So after the donation of the organs, and where we can see again the surgical plantation of the organ which is isolated from the, which is surgically removed from the donor into the recipient, but not everybody can receive the organs. So it is not so simple process that we can simply implant the organ which is isolated from one person to the other person, and we have to see the compatibility. So the compatibility is like so because you have to see the medical in medical terminology, you have to see the how it fits to the person who is going to receive the organ. So in that case, they will check various factors like blood picture and so many things. So then only they can fit that. Maybe you might have seen in some movies that they will show how the organ is fitting. Maybe cinema I will tell you, like, I don't remember exactly the title. Maybe Andhrudu Gopichan Cinema. పిల్లలు బాగా తెలుసుంటుంది. కొంచెం పాత సినిమానే, but there, so they are villain is waiting for Bombay blood group person. He is having some heart problem, heart replacement. So the Bombay blood group and the hero ఒక్కడా ఒక్కడున్నాడు, మేబీ బాంబే బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ ఒక్కడే ఉన్నాడు. So there what happens, so he visits the Bombay, and there they used to collect blood. He has a tendency that he wants to donate blood. So he will donate blood and they'll get all his numbers and all. And then what happens, they will track him. And they will say that the other person is also required blood, and then it's a kind of like, the misusing of organ donation and all. But anyhow, you can see that the organ donation has a kind of compatibility. That's what I want to say. Because not everyone can donate organ to everybody. So the blood compatibility is completely required. Then only they can survive. Otherwise, the recipient cannot survive. And what kind of organs can be donated? So there are so many organs which can be donated, like organs and tissues like liver, kidney, pancreas, heart, lung, intestine, cornea from our eye, and middle ear, and skin, bone marrow, heart walls, then connective tissue, etc. So there are so many tissues which can be, or organs can be donated. But nowadays you can also see that the organs can be originated from a pluripotent stem cells. That's another way that where we can get the organs. Because the pluripotent stem cells are the stem cells which can be collected from a baby. Okay? So they are not totipotent, they are pluripotent. Maybe you don't know what is pluripotent, what is totipotent. Totipotent అంటే ఒక సెల్ కంప్లీట్ గా ఒక ఆర్గానిజం గా వచ్చేసింది అనుకోండి, దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as totipotent. And whereas pluripotent అంటే ఒక ఆర్గాన్ గా డెవలప్ చేయగలిగితే దాన్ని pluripotent అంటారు. Right? So there you can also get the organs. అంటే for example, if I want something, some organ, okay, so I can generate. If see for example, I was already saved my daughter's blood, pluripotent stem cells. So నా పాప పుట్టినప్పుడు నేను ఆల్రెడీ సేవ్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నాను కొంత అమౌంట్ పెట్టి. సో whole family, like my side and then my wife's side, so they can make use of that cells for generating organs or like any kind of other illnesses. Okay, that is another possibility. But we are not talking about that here. But listen, so there are so many ways that we can donate organs, and there are so many organs. Even if we are alive, we can donate organs. Okay, so who can be act as a donor? So anybody can. So that means starting from infant to the old age, anybody can donate the organs. There is no limitation that, so whether you have a disease, whether you have some other thing or whatever, but everybody can donate their organs. So that is there. And all age groups, and mostly the organs can be collected based on their medical history. So that means if they are good enough to give the organs, and then their organs will be taken, and their age will also be considered, and medical suitability for donation. That's what I already told you. So మనము డోనార్ గా ఉంటాము అన్నా కానీ recipient, correct recipient లేకపోతే మన దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి. Exactly when there is a recipient, when they have a compatibility, and then only they will collect the organs. Otherwise they won't collect the organs. Yeah, so that is how the organs will be collected. అంటే మనం ఇచ్చినంత మాత్రాన్ని, ఫామ్ ఇచ్చినంత మాత్రాన్ని మన ఆర్గాన్స్ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటారని అనుకోవద్దు. And recipient should be supposed to be ready at that point of time when we die or when we are donating. So that is also important aspect which you have to remember. And there are so many organizations. So for example, if you want to donate organs, then you have to go, what to do. So there are so many organizations which offers this. So I'll give some, like Life Ban is one, Life Ban, and then Donate Life is another organization, and then Organ Donor is another organization. So you can simply type in the Google and then you'll get the forms and all if you want to register. And if you need any organ, say for example, donating organ is one aspect and getting organ is also another aspect. Right? If you want it, and then again you can have details, you can also get details from the Scientific Registry of Transplant Recipients, which can be simply called as SRTS. Is another website which can be viewed, and then we can get the information, or we can also register for the transplantation. So that means we can also act as a donor and recipient in both the cases. Okay, so there are so many cases which have been done with organ transplantation. So I'll give some examples here. Like Sanvi is a 14 years girl. She was donated her liver in 2014 November. So donating liver is not a bad thing. That means our liver is having only organ in human body which is having regeneration capacity is liver. Regeneration capacity అంటే తెలుగులో అయితే పునరుత్పత్తి అంట. అంటే కొంచెం లివర్ ఉన్నా విల్ గెట్ కంప్లీట్ లివర్. ఆ లివర్ సెల్స్ అన్ని మళ్ళీ మల్టిప్లై అయిపోయి కంప్లీట్ లివర్ వచ్చేస్తున్నారు. క్లియర్? అంటే మన లివర్లో ఒక పార్ట్ కట్ చేసిన లివర్లో లోబ్స్ ఉంటాయి, తెలుసు కదా? తెలుసా తెలీదా? కోళ్ళు తింటారు కదా అందరూ, రైట్? షాప్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అంటే షాప్లో వాడు గుండెకాయ అంటారు, గుండెకాయ కాదు లివర్. ఓకే, లోబ్స్గా ఉంటాయి కదా, తింటారు లేదు. అంటే ఆర్ట్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. దే డజంట్ right? So liver is having only organ which is having a regeneration capacity is liver. Okay, so liver కొంచెం కట్ చేసినా మళ్ళీ అది ఫుల్ఫిల్ అయిపోతుంది, అమ్మ నా లివర్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అనుకోతుంది, రైట్? సో లివర్ కెన్ బి డొనేటెడ్. అంటే మనం లైవ్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా లివర్ డొనేట్ చేయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, రైట్? సో అండ్ దెన్ డొనేట్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నా రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళు సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ ది డేటా ఫ్రమ్ All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So there are so many recipients who survive and who is still they are surviving.